Hello everyone, today I'm going to be going over lesson 5. So in this lesson you covered responders bid when they don't have a fit. So their first priority should always be to show support for their partner if they have it, especially if it's a major. If it's a minor, they might bid a major rather than support. But here, in these examples, we're going to be deciding what to bid if we don't have a fit. So, North is opener. They only have 9 points, so they pass. East passes. South has 15 points. They open their longest suit, 1 spade. And West might make an overcall, but we're not doing overcalls at the moment, so we'll just pass. And now we're at responders bid. So the first thing they have to do is decide, do they have enough to bid? And if responder has 6 points or more, they will be bidding. This is because opener can have up to 19 points about when they open 1 spade. So 19 and 6 is 25. Therefore we must make a bid because we could have a game. So with 9 we're going to be bidding something. We don't have 4 card spade support, so we're not going to support the spades. Do we have enough to bid 2 clubs? So if we're going to bid our clubs, we'll need to bid them at the 2 level. And to decide whether we have enough, we can use a rule called the rule of 14, which is your high card points plus the number of cards in your longest suit. So here we have 9 points plus 4 clubs is 13. That doesn't come to 14, so we don't have enough to bid 2 clubs. We said we have to bid something, so we bid 1 no trump. And this says I have 6 to 9 points. I don't have 4 spades. I couldn't bid at the 2 level. And now South will show their hearts. And we, because we have equal length in hearts and spades, we'll give preference back to the spades, because normally South will be 5 spades and 4 hearts, so we have a better fit in spades than hearts. So declarer counts their losers. They have 2 club losers, 1 diamond, maybe no diamonds, we can take the finesse, no heart losers, and 1 or no spade losers, depending on where the king is. So we play low. Now East can make a signal here. They can play the queen, saying either this is my only card, I had to play the queen, or I have the jack as well. And this allows West to underlead their king on the next round, because either East will win their jack, or they will ruff if the queen was their only card. We trump this. And we always want to ask ourselves, do we want to draw trumps, or is there something else we need to do first? And here there's nothing to do. We want to take the finesse in spades, so we need to lead from the north hand. So let's cross to the queen of hearts and lead the jack. When East follows low, we play low, hoping they have the king. This loses. Now they've made us rough again. So if we've been counting trumps, the opponent started with 5. They've played 2, so there are 3 left. If they split 3-2, then our trumps, the ace and queen, will get rid of them. But if they split 4-1, then somebody has 3 trumps left, and they will have longer trumps than we do. So play the ace, and we find out that West started with 1 spade, so he started with 4 spades. So they have longer trumps than we do at this point. So they have a trump winner. There's nothing we can do about that. Should we draw another round of trumps? So let's think about what would happen if we play the queen of spades, leaving 1 trump out, and then play our hearts. The problem will be if East ruffs, like here, they will ruff the second heart. And then because our queen of spades is gone, we won't be able to get to our 3rd heart. So we need to keep this queen of spades as an entry to get to our heart winners when East eventually ruffs. So we're just going to play our heart winners. They have a spade winner anyway that they were always going to get. So when they ruff in, that's no problem. They were always going to get that trick anyway. And East ruffs. And you can see the problem would have been if we had drawn the trump. Now they could play a diamond and we would never get back to our jack of hearts. But because we kept this queen of spades, we have an entry to this jack of hearts. And East, looking at the ace queen of diamonds and dummy, they won't play a diamond. They'll just play a trump. So now we know the trumps are gone. We cash this jack of hearts while we're in the south hand. And now we can take the diamond finesse. It wins, so we make 9 tricks.